Newsletter. Stay informed, stay inspired. The Association e-newsletter is here. Want to know what's happening, what's changing, and what's coming up? It's all just one click away. Introducing the Association's e-newsletter, your all-in-one window into progress, updates, success stories, and upcoming initiatives. From major decisions to member spotlights, training recaps to future plans, this is where we keep you in the loop every step of the way. From the home screen, tap on the newsletter menu. Make it a habit. Open it, read it, and feel the pulse of your association. Because informed members build powerful communities. It's not just a newsletter, it's your monthly dose of unity, pride, and purpose.